Once again, we are boarding flight 2763 to Miami. Once again, 2763 to Miami. We are only boarding Zone 1. Elite members and our military personnel passengers. You're
feeling good, feeling great. Cause I got a big old smile upon my face, and you can't take that away. Feeling good, feeling great. And I know today is going to be my day, and you can't take that away.
Literally the last tool in the whole place.
What's going on, guys? Today we're in Florida. Alright guys, so check this out. So Orlando is one of the most traveled cities in the US. I think it's the 4th or 5th behind like Vegas, New York, Miami. So I just found that interesting, guys. By the way, it's warm outside. Look at this. What's up, guys? So this is our hotel. And we're staying at the Grand Hotel in Orlando. We're right across from the Crown Plaza. And we're on Universal Boulevard. So this street right here is Universal Boulevard in Orlando, and the Crown Plaza Hotel's over here, and this is the Grand Hotel over here. All right, this is the Chevy Malibu that we got rented. There's my brother Rashawn. Damn, am I in the vlog? It's about 18 degrees out today, guys. Nice and sunny. And we're about to go and check out Orlando and visit some family. So let's see what's up.